Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send BUSD from your Arculus wallet to Exmo in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly, especially with stablecoins like BUSD for quick transactions. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can do it confidently and avoid any common pitfalls. First things first, make sure you're all set up. You'll need the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and some BUSD in your account. Don't forget to have your Exmo exchange account ready and verified. It's crucial for receiving the funds securely. Oh, and always double-check network compatibility. BUSD typically runs on the BNB Smart Chain, so ensure both wallets are on the same network to prevent any errors. Let's dive into the steps. Start by opening your Arculus Wallet app and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet dashboard and select the BUSD asset from your list of holdings. This should bring up your balance and options for actions. Next, tap on the Send or Transfer button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Head over to your Exmo account, go to the deposit section, and copy the BUSD deposit address. Paste that into the Arculus app, then enter the amount you want to send. Remember, factor in any transaction fees to avoid sending too little. Before you hit confirm, review everything carefully. Check the address, the amount, and the network one last time. Once you're sure, confirm the transaction, and you'll see a processing screen. It usually takes a few minutes for the funds to appear in your Exmo account, but keep an eye on blockchain confirmations. A quick tip: if you encounter any issues, like a failed transfer, it could be due to network congestion or incorrect details. Always use official apps and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. And there you have it. That's how you send BUSD from Arculus to Exmo in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the ropes. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.